Admission to the Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, is highly competitive and is based on the performance in the Joint Entrance Examination, JEE. The admission process includes the following steps. JEE Main Examination. Students aspiring to get admission to IITs need to appear for the JEE Main Examination, which is the first stage of the selection process. JEE Main is conducted by the National Testing Agency, NTA. JEE Advanced Examination. Only those candidates who qualify for the JEE Main Examination are eligible to appear for the JEE Advanced Examination. JEE Advanced is considered more challenging and is the second stage of the selection process for admission to IITs. Eligibility criteria. Candidates must meet certain eligibility criteria, including age limits, educational qualifications, and attempts allowed. Ranking. Based on the performance in JEE Advanced, candidates are ranked. The All India ranks, AIRs, are then used for admission to the IITs. Counseling and seat allotment. Successful candidates need to participate in the JOSA, Joint Seat Allocation Authority, counseling process. During counseling, candidates can choose their preferred IITs and courses based on their ranks. Seat allotment is done based on the choices filled by candidates and their ranks. Document verification and admission confirmation. Once the seat is allotted, candidates need to report to the designated reporting centers for document verification. After verification, candidates confirm their admission by paying the required fees. It's essential for candidates to stay updated on the official websites of JEE Main, JEE Advanced, and JOSA for the latest information, important dates, and any changes in the admission process. Keep in mind that the admission process may be subject to changes, and it's advisable to refer to the official websites and information brochures for the most accurate and current details. Additionally, candidates should thoroughly prepare for the examinations, as securing a good rank is crucial for admission to the IITs. अगर आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया तो कृपया इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और कृपया हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।